Hello everyone, it's InStream Trades back with you again, and today we will talk about Solana. And actually, watch this video till the very end, and you will understand what's gonna happen, and most probably will happen with Solana price with the short term and long term. And don't forget to hit the like button now if you like this content. And at the start, let's actually open 1 week time frame. What I should say that I woke up today and I saw a lot of tweets, a lot of posts on social media saying that Solana is broken and people are just losing their Solanas because somebody's sending their Solanas to other wallets and the chain is broken. I don't think that Solana is broken. The most possible and probable reason for that is that a lot of people simply connect their Solana wallets to other websites and services that are not trustworthy. And later, when they don't use it, they forget to cancel the request and disallow those websites to access their Solanas. So that's probably the reason. Actually, what do we see on the chart? First, here on the week time frame, look at this area. So many weeks of rejection. After that, the price went lower. That's why I marked this area. And notice that not coincidentally, we had over here 2 weeks when the price was rejected. Also notice this area is the golden pocket, and here's the platinum pocket from this swing low to this swing high. No wonder why the price bounced from here, and we had a lot of people just buying it. Here was the limit orders. Actually, that's just the algorithm that most of the smart money are using. They buy it here, sell it here. That's what actually happened. They bought it here, sold it here. Now, let's look at the other indicators. The stochastic RSI showing the bullish momentum. That's why we had the movement here. No crossover yet. In stream trades, finally, there is a hint that probably this week there will be a crossover, and this will be another extra confirmation for the long-term investors. Again, this is the long-term investors, uh, the bullish side. Also notice that the price dropped like 90% and now it's minus 85%. Is it a good time for the long-term investors? Of course it is. Not a financial recommendation though. Uh, let's go on the 1 day time frame. What do we see here? I have several channels marked here for you, the parallel channel. You can look at my previous video where I formed those channels, and you can see that the price respects these areas. So there will be probably a retest here. I think so. And then we will look at the other indicators. Crossover here, that's why the price is going lower. I think there will be uh, a movement lower than the little consolidation before something will clear up with Solana. Extreme trades indicator still in the bullish zone, which is good for Solana. Uh, what I also want you to see here is this high density area of the volume being traded. We do not want to see Solana go into another area. Let me show you this. What I want to show you here is, you probably know it now, right? Not the parallel channel, but an uprising triangle. And but what I want you to notice is that this has a mixed signal now. Why? Because most of the time the upgoing triangle has a tendency to break to the upper side, but you can also look at it as at the bear flag, right? Let me show you what I'm talking about. Here is a huge bearish flag, which has a tendency to break to the lower side. So now I would say that Solana is in the no trade territory for the short term traders. You can surely try to trade this whenever you go here, then bounce from here, but there's so little space left between the epochs, and there will be a movement, impulsive movement, either to the upper side or to the upper side or lower side. And now it's 50-50. If you want to risk that much, that's your choice. Go ahead. I would actually wait and recommend to wait for some confirmations before going on something for the shorter trend. for the long-term trend, like I told you, there was a good chance to start accumulating. And I hope that you found this information interesting. And if you do, don't forget to go ahead and click the like button right now. Subscribe to the channel if you're still not subscribed. And most important, have a safe and profitable trading. Talk to you later, guys. Bye.